You searched how to buy shares of Namib Minerals. Namib Minerals is a mining company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker NAMM, and this short guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy NAMM, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the broker search bar and type the ticker NAMM to locate the listing. Make sure you select the Namib Minerals entry that is listed on NASDAQ. On the asset page, check the basic company information and review the price chart for recent movement. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and the NAMM ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or placed as a limit order, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio or holdings view. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.